I'm sharing one of the collection pages of one of our clients that we're doing CRO for. So this is basically the before website. So as you can see here, they have a few filters where you can kind of filter through all the SKUs, but there's nothing around size, there's nothing around color, length, availability. So you're able to see the different SKUs, but you're not able to kind of filter for your preferences. So that's one thing we're going to be adding. And then as you kind of scroll through, you're able to quickly add SKUs to your cart and you're able to add them to your wish list. However, like you don't have any information around what's new, what just recently restocked, what's low in stock, what's a bestseller. So that's something that we're going to be adding in. And then as you can see, if I wanted to go to the women's section, there's no view all. And so that's something that we're going to be adding as well. And then I think the last but not least is we want to just make sure that the title of the collection pages matches the filter. So if we're looking at cardigans, we just want to make sure that it's really clear that someone is looking at cardigans. Right now, it just kind of says women, and it just says cardigans over here. So we just want to make sure it's really clear what the customer is looking at.